Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to use quantities. So there is a quantity button. I'm going to show you how to use it here, but let's say, for example, this one taco, let's say it's supposed to be 10 tacos. But instead of having to select taco and then no tomato and no lettuce again, all you have to do is select this one item, do the quantity button down here, and it brings up a number pad. So now you can just select 10. Now if you accidentally hit too many numbers, then you have your backspace here that you can just back it off. And then once you're done with that, you just select out of here to go back to your menu, and it's as easy as that. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.